Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Apple Cash card exists and is funded. Open Wallet and check that Apple Cash is visible. If not, add it in Wallet and Apple Pay. Once done, verify your Apple ID and two-factor authentication so payments will process securely. Next, fund the card using a bank transfer, receiving money from someone, or enabling Apple Cash Family for transfers. Make sure the balance shows in Wallet because you will select this card to pay in the next steps. You'll now make an in-person purchase using contactless payment. Double-click the side button to summon Apple Pay. Ensure Apple Cash is the selected card. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This confirms you authorize the spend. Then hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done on the screen. If you need a receipt, request it or check the transaction under Wallet. This sequence prevents declined payments and shows how authorization flows. You complete transactions online or in apps by choosing Apple Pay at checkout and selecting Apple Cash as the payment method. Review the order, shipping info, and confirm the charge with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. The app will show confirmation once processed. If a charge fails, immediately check your Apple Cash balance, ensure your iPhone has network access, and confirm your Apple ID and payment settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, reload funds or re-authenticate to resolve most declines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.